Sean is about to face his biggest challenge yet. He has been given the shipping data, which is a large set of data downloaded from the company database containing more than 1,000 records. His boss has asked him to complete all the calculations. Let's see if we can help him do this. The first thing we need to do is see the rest of the data, so we're going to come down to the bottom of the spreadsheet, click on our horizontal scroll bar and scroll to the right. And where we see the blank columns, that is where we have to complete the calculations. The first calculation Sean has to do is profit margin. Profit margin is calculated by subtracting cost price from retail price to work out our profit. So this is going to be a simple subtraction. Click in Q4 and start with your equals. Click onto retail price, type minus, click cost price, and press enter. Nice and easy. Let's do it one more time. So equals, click retail price, minus, cost price, and enter. Now we still have more than 1,000 records to go, so we're going to be here a while. Or are we? Remember the fill handle that we learnt about in week 1? Well, the great news is we can use that for calculations as well. So click back onto Q5, which is the last calculation you did. Come to the fill handle, that little green box at the bottom right-hand corner, and double click. How easy was that? Alright, next calculation is our subtotal. The subtotal is how much the customer is going to pay before discount and shipping. So we're going to need to take the retail price and multiply it by the order quantity. Again, start with your equals, click retail price, and now we need to multiply. So remember, that's our asterisk. Click on order quantity and press enter. And once again, we can copy that down. So back onto S4 and double click your fill handle. Now we need to work on our discount. Discount is worked out as a percentage of the subtotal. Percentages can make people a little nervous though. The good news is in Excel, they are really easy. All you need to do is take the percentage amount and multiply it by the value you want to get a percentage of. Remember that 6% is not the same as 6. It's the same as 6 divided by 100, or if you prefer, 0.06. So let's see how this works. We're going to start with our equals, click our subtotal, click our asterisk to multiply, click on our 6%, and we're expecting an answer of roughly $5. Click enter, and there we go. Let's copy that down. So back onto U4 and double click your fill handle. Finally, we need to calculate our order total. This means taking our subtotal, subtracting the discount, and adding in the shipping. So this is a slightly more complex formula, but only slightly. Start with your equals, click on your subtotal, type your minus, click on your discount amount, type your plus, and click on your shipping cost. Now click enter. There's our order total, and again, we can copy that down. So in under 5 minutes, we have easily helped Sean complete his shipping spreadsheet. Why don't you give it a try on your own?